Alright, let's talk money. Specifically how much you can actually make on Adobe Stock as a content creator. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or digital artist, you've probably wondered if uploading your work to Adobe Stock is really worth your time. Today I'm breaking down the real numbers, the strategies, and the secrets that can help you unlock your earnings potential. First things first, if you're dreaming of instant riches, let me bring you back to earth. Stock media isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's definitely not a lottery ticket. It's more like planting seeds that grow over time. Stock media is a long game. Think of Adobe Stock as your digital real estate. Each photo, video, or illustration you upload is like a tiny apartment that can be rented out again and again, earning you a little bit each time. Here's how it works. You upload your photos, videos, or graphics, and every time someone licenses your work, you get a royalty payment. It's a simple process, but the magic is in the repetition and the scale. Sounds simple, right? Here's the catch. It adds up slowly, especially in the beginning. You might see just a few cents or dollars trickle in at first, and it can feel like you're barely making progress. So, how much are we talking? What's the real earning potential for someone just starting out, or even for those who've been at it for a while? Adobe Stock pays contributors 33% for photos and illustrations, and 35% for videos. That means if your photo sells for $1, you get about 33 cents. For videos it's a little more, but the principle is the same. If you sell a photo for say $1, you get about 33 cents. It might not sound like much, but remember your work can sell over and over to different buyers all around the world. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but imagine you've got 500 images uploaded and each gets downloaded a couple of times a month. Suddenly those small payments start to add up. Suddenly you're making passive income. You're earning money while you sleep, travel, or work on new creative projects. That's the beauty of stock media. It keeps working for you long after you've uploaded it. Let's do some real math. If you have 1,000 images and each one gets downloaded just once a month, that's 1,000 downloads. At 33 cents each, you're looking at $330 a month. Of course, not every image will sell every month, but the more you upload, the better your odds. Seasoned contributors report earning anywhere from $50 to $500 a month with a portfolio of a few thousand high-quality images. Some even make more, especially if they focus on in-demand topics or trending styles. If you've got a niche, like drone shots, business people, or diverse workplaces, you might do even better. Niche content often faces less competition and can command higher prices, especially for video. The real stars? Top stock artists can hit $1,000 or more per month, but that can take years and a massive portfolio. These are the folks who treat stock as a business, constantly uploading, researching trends, and refining their craft. But here's the power move. Everything you upload keeps earning for years. That's the magic of stock media. Your portfolio becomes a growing asset, and even older images can suddenly become popular if trends shift. The more you contribute, the more you earn, and it's all passive after upload. You can focus on creating, not selling, and let your portfolio do the heavy lifting. There's no need to chase clients or deadlines, no more endless emails or negotiating contracts. Your work is out there earning for you 24/7. And because you're using only stock media, you can reinvest your time in creating new content, not managing sales. This frees up your creative energy and lets you experiment with new ideas or styles. So, is Adobe Stock worth it? If you're consistent, creative, and patient, it absolutely can be. It's not a sprint but a marathon, and those who stick with it see the biggest rewards. Just remember, build your portfolio, focus on quality and trends, and don't expect overnight success. The more you learn about what sells, the faster you'll grow. If you stick with it, your earnings can snowball over time. What starts as a trickle can become a steady stream and eventually a river of passive income. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more tips, and keep that brain history watermark on your mind. I'll be sharing more insider secrets and creative strategies to help you succeed. See you in the next one.